Good day everyone. My name is Elizabeth Presaro from BS Asian 2E and I will be presenting my catering package proposal for about 250 packs. So my theme is the romantic wedding theme. So my logo or my company name is the Paradise Catering Services. Content. So we have goal, theme, catering layout design, inspired angle, food menu format, budgeting, time frame, buffet setup, and table setup. Goal. The goal of this Paradise Catering Services is to give the customer quality services more than that they expected and to meet their satisfactions with reasonable prices. Theme. Romantic wedding theme. Romantic weddings are all about celebrating romance with barely their colors, soft lightning, and eternal detail like following dresses with airy fabrics. Layout design. Black color. Left side at the upper part is the exit. Black color. Left side at the lower part is the entrance. Yellow color. Right side at the lower part is the buffet setup table. Dark blue color is the comfort room or CR. Violet color is the sound and light system station. Light blue color is the stage or the brides and grooms where they stay. Light green color is the videographer and photographer position. Green and orange circle is the table with 10 chairs each. The red long parallel is the table with 50 chairs and the gray color is the cake table. Insert angle. Table design. So these are the table designs that we can offer to our client. Stage. So as you can see, this stage has a light color because we assure that the design that we will provide is connected to our theme, which is the romantic wedding theme. Next one is the centerpiece. So we have two choices. Souvenir. So these are the example of our wedding cake. Food menu format. So for soup, we have vegetable lasagna soup and roasted red pepper tomato soup. Salad. So we have potato salad and grilled shrimp salad. Appetizer. We have tuna tartar cones and shrimp cocktail shatter. So drinks. So we have three types of drinks. So we have orange Jenna cocktail, peach lemonade, and love martini. Main course. We have lobster with mashed potatoes and chicken and waffles. Dessert. So we have three types of desserts. We have monogram cream tart cake, rose wine toasting cakes, and strawberry ice cream. Budgeting and costing. Food menu. So we have soup for 40,000, salad 25,000, appetizer 25,000, drinks 30,000, main course 60,000, dessert 30,000 with a total of 210,000. So 210,000 divided 250 is equals to 840. So the total budget for the 250 guests is 840 per head. Next one is the manpower budget. So we have MC or host 5,000, chefs and other staff 25,000, decorator 5,000, Steward, 5,000. Videographer and photographer, 10,000. DJ sound and light system is 10,000. Driver's transportation, 7,500. Singer is 2,500. With a total of 70,000. Next one is the decorations budget. So we have linens, 25,000. Flower, 30,000. Centerpiece, 15,000. Venue, 40,000. Chair and table, 30,000. Souvenir, 25,000. Lights and other decor is 10,000 with a total of 175,000. So, food menu total price 210,000 plus manpower budget total price 70,000 plus decorations total price 175,000 plus cake price 15,000 plus contingency fund 30,000 is equals to 500,000. So, the overall total price is the 500,000. Time frame. So, we have 12 months preparation. So, picking wedding dates, selecting foods including cake design, discussing the theme they want and how much money is allotted, searching and choosing venues and knowing the total guests. So, it is the 12 months. Booking the venue, saving the date, informing the photographer, videographer, and sound and light system for the upcoming event, 9 months. Finalizing the official details for the wedding, including the final date, arranging the transformations, ordering a cake, and others, 6 months. Sending invitation and reserve all the rental items that needed, 4 months. Finalizing music that they wanted for the wedding day and resting 6 weeks. So 1 week is the wedding day. So next one is the buffet setup. So we have L-shaped buffet setup design. Table setup. So the green circle is a table with 10 chairs each. That is the setting for the bridesmaid and another important person. So the red long table is for VIP guests and it has 50 chairs. The orange circle table has 10 chairs each and that is setting for ordinary guests. And that's all. Thank you.